Welcome back to MSN Construction YouTube channel. In today's session we'll consider about doors and windows construction. Door windows, also known as door lights, are integrated into doors to provide light and visibility. Constructing a door with a window involves several key steps and considerations. Materials and tools. Door slab: wood, fiberglass, steel. Window light kit: frame and glass. Measuring tape, pencil, saw, jigsaw or circular saw. Drill and bits, sandpaper, caulking gun and corkscrews and screwdriver. Design and planning. Determine the size and position of the window on the door. Choose the type of glass: clear, frosted, decorative, and frame style: wood, metal, plastic. Measuring and marking. Measure and mark the door where the window will be installed. Ensure it's centered and at the desired height. Use a template if provided by the window light kit. Cutting the door. Drill pilot holes at the corners of the marked area. Use a jigsaw to cut out the opening for the window. Follow the marked lines carefully. Sand the cut edges to smooth any roughness. Installing the window frame. Separate the window light frame into its interior and exterior parts. Place the exterior frame into the cutout from the outside of the door. Align the interior frame with the exterior frame from inside the door. Secure the frames together using screws, making sure they are tightly fastened to avoid gaps. Sealing and finishing. Apply caulk around the edges of the window frame to seal any gaps and prevent air or water infiltration. Install any decorative trim or molding if desired. Paint or stain the door and frame as needed to match the door's finish. Final checks. Ensure the window is securely installed and the door operates smoothly. Check for any drafts or leaks around the window and apply additional caulking if necessary. By following these steps, you can successfully construct and install a window in a door, enhancing both its aesthetic appeal and functionality. Have a nice day. Stay tuned with MSN Construction YouTube channel for more upcoming new videos.